Importing contacts into GoHighLevel is one of the easiest ways to get your CRM up and running fast. Whether you are switching from another tool to starting with a brand new list of leads, GoHighLevel lets you bring everything together in just few clicks. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can import your contact step by step. So you can organize your data, manage your lead, and start automating your workflow without any confusion. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description. You can get the 30 days free trial, you can get the live bootcamp access, and you can get some exclusive bonuses. So now let's get back to the video. So if you want to import your contact in GoHighLevel, just simply log in your GoHighLevel. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel, just look at this left panel and you will see there is an option for the contact. Simply click on this and you can see this kind of interface. Here you will see there is an option to import. Just click on this. Now it has two options. Just import your contact, the all leads and their detail and the specification if you have the previous any kind of tool and if you want to export from that. And you can also import their stages, the status and the pipeline progress if you are trying to export the contacts from another tool and import here. So you can select this, but in this case I'm going to this, and after selecting this, simply click on this next button here. Now you can see there is a box like the drop box, but remember one thing, it only supports the CSV format contact. So sometimes people try to upload the notepad.txt type like txt format, but it doesn't support. So just remember this. Now just simply click on this and it will open the pop-up in your local drive, and here you can see I have this plus CSV format. So just select this and just open. So it's 100% uploaded, and now just if you want to update this information with the existing list, then you can do that, like the create an update contact or update contact, or if you want to create a new list, then you can go with this like create contact. So I'm going to with that, and then just simply click on this next. Okay, so these all my data you can see. Okay, these are the previous information. Okay, so after that just click on this next button here. Okay, and here since we are creating a new workflow, so just give it a name. And after that just simply click on this like confirm these accounts are we have previously connected them and I want to import this. So after that just click on this start bulk importing. Now you can see there is a option, the new workflow, which we have created earlier. Then just go to here and you can see, and these all the contacted which we have just imported. So basically this is how you can easily import your contact in GoHighLevel. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.